Today in Kiwanna's kitchen, we are going to make this delicious pizza tortellini skillet that will take you under 30 minutes to make. So, let's go. Alright guys, to make our delicious tortellini skillet, I am adding some olive oil into my skillet here, and then I'm going in with my chopped sweet Vidalia onion and chopped bell pepper, and we're going to give that a good mix just until our veggies soften up a bit, okay? So now I'm adding in a tablespoon of minced garlic, and you definitely want to keep stirring this because you don't want that garlic to burn. I don't know if you guys have tasted burnt garlic before, but it is not pleasant, okay? So again, you want to keep stirring. So now I'm adding in 1 pound of ground Italian sausage, 1 pound of ground turkey, and we're going to give this a good chop with my silicone spatula here because I have no idea where my ground meat choppers are. So again, we're going to do what we can do with the silicone spatula. So after chopping that up a little bit, we're going to go ahead and add in my seasonings. I'm adding in some Italian seasoning, some pizza seasoning because it has other seasonings along with some crushed red pepper in it. And then I'm adding some onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of salt and pepper. So again, just a little bit of the salt because again, that pizza seasoning has other seasonings in it as well. So we're just going to give that a good mix and just let it continue to cook, okay? You want to cook this until your meat is completely brown. And I did drain this off camera because I really didn't feel the need to show you guys how to drain grease out of a skillet. I'm pretty sure you know how to do it. Get you some paper towels, tilt your skillet, and just put it in there and get all the grease out. But you want to leave a little bit in there. Don't take it all out because you don't want your meat to completely dry out, okay? So leave just a little bit in there. So you guys have been asking for a lot of 30-minute recipes, something quick and easy that you can make for your family on a busy weeknight, especially now that school has started back. So that's what we're going to be doing over the next couple of weeks, guys, is me showing you guys recipes. So I did go in with a jar of pasta sauce and I added some water in there, gave that a good shake, got that in there as well. Let it come to a simmer, and then I added in my frozen pasta, my tortellini that is, because this pasta is already cooked, so you don't need to really boil it. Now, if you're cooking it by itself, of course you're going to boil it, but now that we got the liquid in here with our meat and stuff, it's going to cook in here and it's going to be perfect. So after about 10 minutes, guys, you guys can see how it is turning out. The pasta is definitely soft, and you want to check it by sticking a fork in it. So now we're going to top it with some cheese and also some pepperoni, and then we're going to cover this back up and just let it cook, let it melt, okay? You want to turn it off. As you guys can see, it's still simmering. Everything is nice and hot in there. So like I said, get your cheese on there, your pepperoni, cover it, turn it off, and just let it sit, okay? And just let it sit until the cheese is completely melted. Quick and easy, okay? So like I said, even though that liquid in there is simmering, your tortellini is still cooking, okay? So everything is cooking. So I had to make my son a different meal because he doesn't like tortellini, so I made him some roasted chicken and potatoes. If you guys have been watching my channel enough, you know about my son. So you know he's very picky, okay? So here it is here, guys. It turned out perfect. I made some garlic bread to go with it, and that is pretty much it. An easy 30-minute meal. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up, and until next time, you guys take care.